Oh guys, I promised you videos were coming. This one's a bit accidental because I'm cutting my grass, getting ready for spring and you know. And yeah, I got a fair bit done, but all of a sudden this has happened. It's died. Bearing's running free. There's nothing clogging it. So it just means that one of the windings have, oh yeah, it's died, man. So we're just gonna sit this, we're gonna do 2 views on this. So I've got CCTV camera there, so we're gonna point that way, right in the carnage. There we go. Yay. So we'll pause this, we'll set this up, and we'll go for gold. I'm gonna lift that cover off of it so we can witness the magic smoke. Just happens that I've got another lawnmower stored away so I can carry on a bit. Enjoy. Well, here we go. Let's watch it cook. Popped it. Oh wow, yeah. And we didn't even trip the breaker either. We just blew a fuse. Brilliant. Hello. We did trip the breaker with a bit of luck. We got that on camera, guys. Right, see you in the next video. I thought I popped it, guys. It's still going. We'll pause that because I dare say that'll go again. Let's see if it's going to go for one last run. Are you fucking kidding? 3rd run? What the fuck, man? Oh my god. Fucking hell, man. What the fuck, man? 4th time lucky, yeah? Let's try. I've lost count now. Let's have another look. No, that's it guys, dead short now. So I'll see you in the next video.